Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Corolla license plate light bulb. This is a straightforward task that you can easily do yourself with just a few common tools. You will need a flathead screwdriver or a plastic trim removal tool and a new bulb, typically a number 168 or 194 type. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. To begin, open your Toyota Corolla's trunk all the way. You'll see a carpeted liner on the inside of the trunk lid, held in place by several plastic fasteners. Use your flathead screwdriver or plastic trim tool to carefully pry out about 4 to 6 of these fasteners. Once they are removed, gently pull back the trunk liner to reveal the license plate light bulb sockets and wiring underneath. With your rice spread, it's time to add the cucumber. Place your thin cucumber strips horizontally across the rice, closer to the edge of the nori that's nearest to you. Now, using your bamboo mat, lift the edge and begin to roll tightly, pressing down to form a firm cylinder. Moisten the exposed edge of the nori with a little water to create a secure seal. Maintain gentle, even pressure as you roll to ensure a compact and well-formed sushi roll. Before fully reassembling, turn on your Corolla's headlights to test the new bulb. Verify that both license plate lights are working properly. Once confirmed, carefully reposition the trunk lid liner, ensuring it aligns correctly. Push all the plastic fasteners back into their respective holes until they are securely seated. This completes the replacement process, and your license plate lights should now be fully functional.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.